Once you've opened the boot, what do you need to be aware of? Working from top to bottom, you have the rear parcel shelf, a handy hook on the right, lighting on the left, and top tethers for child car seats. Under the boot carpet, you have either a tyre repair kit, which includes very straightforward instructions for usage, or a spare wheel. This can be accessed and removed like so. There will, of course, be occasions when we require a little more space in the back of the vehicle. Fortunately, this is not a problem, thanks to the split folding seats. Simply place the headrests to the low position, pull this control forward to unlock the backrest, and then tilt the backrest on the seat base. To return the seats to an upright position, just raise the backrest and ensure that it has locked. You can confirm this by checking that the red indicator on the control is no longer visible.
Citroën.